Module 8. We're almost getting to the end. It'll be all right. All right, so actually, maybe you'll you'll find this module kind of different but interesting because now we're going to actually look at categorical data. Typically nominal data where maybe you're asking people to survey on the type of music they like, which is actually one of the examples, and look at two different examples of goodness of fit. Does the data actually fit what you would expect it to be? And then the test of independence. And you're going to see if you go into Module 8 and you go into analysis of categorical data, and then you go to the, where you go, right there, the watch, that I have two videos uploaded here. Now, I will mention that you don't have an application this week. You only have a quiz. So, I would certainly go through the videos because you're gonna have some questions on both pieces here. One thing to be careful of, and I mentioned it in this video, the chi-square test for independence. This is where you have a contingency table, and some of the questions will just say, like, I'm looking right here at your quiz. You want to see? No, you can't see it. And so one of the questions even says, if you're doing a chi-square test of independence with a contingency table, how do you find the degrees of freedom? Well, you take the rows -1 times the columns -5. You watch that video. That's in the test for independence. Talks about finding critical values, expected frequency. So you're going to see I do all this in the videos. Even though you don't have an actual application, you still want to go through the actual videos to be sure you can answer the quiz questions. All right. Another thing that I don't know is interesting that they put this here, but I guess I kind of sort of understand, is you have another conference activity, and the part that's weird about it is this conference activity right here is actually going to be about forecasting, which is what you did last week. Okay, my guess is the reason they put it in this module was because you were so busy last week just trying to get, through the project and then get through the module and everything. So you are going to go back and you'll see when you go in, just as you've been seeing, I'll randomly generate you guys in groups again. You will see that your module 8 will show up for the conference activity and you can get talking. So I believe that's pretty much it, and there's your quiz. So have a great week. Once again, just realize this is a complete different turn, because now we're not looking at like interval or ratio data. We're looking at nominal data. But have a good module 8 and contact me if you have any questions.